Hi, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to draw Tanjiro Kamado from the Demon Slayer. And hey, thanks for your suggestion. Now we're going to start him with a circle for the head. Then we're going to draw some cheek lines, and then it's going to come down into a V for the chin. Then draw a couple of lines for the neck, and then the shoulders coming out each side. Now we're going to start putting on where the hair will go, a big shape for where the hair is going to come out to. The eyes on each side, make sure they're about halfway through from the chin to the top of the head, and then some eyebrows where the nose is going to go. And once you've constructed it up, then you can start adding in all the details. I would recommend grabbing a pencil and doing this in pencil first, and then outlining when you're ready to. Now, what's going to make you a good drawer is practice and the right attitude. So make sure you're positive and have some fun drawing Tanjiro. What a cool character. Hey, if you've got some value out of this, I'd appreciate a like. Love to see what you guys have drawn. time to add colour, I'm going to use my trusty Copic markers and other alcohol markers that I've got to add some awesome colour to this great character. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Cheers. Thanks. See ya. Bye.